let's be responsible, you understand, for whatever you do, whosoever you meet, and try to make sure that maybe you let other people around you know who you're going out and all those kind of things, you understand, instead of just lumping
Why do you assume Olorato didn't do that?
No, I'm not just talking about her, but I'm just talking
but
society.
Let's clarify. In what way was she not responsible?
No. I'm not saying her.
But it is in light. It's in light of her murder, Nare, that you say, "Hey, let's be responsible," because the idea is that she was not. Why would you raise that matter if it's not relevant?
No, the thing, as I'm saying, the matter is just generalized that it's a responsibility. We should call men into order.
But every day we wake up, men have killed women, men are killing each other, men are raping women, men are raping men. That's the idea. There is a problem to the extent to which most of these crimes are factually done by men.
Yes, but even in Israel, in Gaza, men were doing that. But who's responsible to do that?
I'm not sure I follow, Nare. I don't know.
No, but the thing is, it's the responsibility. That's the responsibility of the government as well. Because when you look at countries like Zim and Mozambique, those people, they are not doing those crimes.
That's not true.
No, but I'm saying those violent crimes.
But that is not true. Again, that's not factually true. It's not true.
Okay.
There is a problem, and you have men friends. You raise sons. You influence each other over this particular soccer and this particular rugby and all of that. Part of the responsibility is to call each other out. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, but listen, people got their own beliefs. Are you aware that sometimes criminals...
No, nobody must be allowed to believe in the kidnapping and murder of anyone else. That's the point here.
But you think that...
it doesn't matter what your religion is. Murder is wrong.
No. It's not religion. It's human nature. There are some people who are sadistic.
Oh, it's no longer belief now. It's human nature.
No. Listen, there are people who are sadistic. There are people who are masochistic. I think we understand what I'm saying.
You mean masochistic?
They enjoy, you understand, they enjoy inflicting pain in other people. So for myself, I cannot do it, you understand? But other people, they do. So
yeah, but we've got the responsibility to call each other out. We have a responsibility to build a community together. We live in a community, we live with each other.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkoswasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Somboyiseni Ndlovu was talking about Nzabaya Olorato, the girl that was murdered by someone lobekati uyakudate naye. So people are really being insensitive ngale issue lena, because this is a very touching and serious matter. But people are saying ukuthi why ahambe nemuntu angamati, why angazangende mama safety precautions. Guys, you guys are so insensitive, because uhamba njani ku dates nemuntu omati unless uya ku date ke nabhuti wakho onamakhelwane. When you start dating a person usuke ungamati umuntu, then you get to know that person. It's just so unfortunate ukuthi yena uvele nje waba nebody, because clearly labantu laba beba planile konke lokho. So it's so sad kuva abantu ba blame the victim instead of the perpetrator. Makufika ukuthi into efana naleti. Hence why men will keep doing this, because they know ukuthi bayavikelwa. You guys are gonna say, oh, why angazange be careful, oh, why I go dates nemuntu angamati. It's really not a matter of gokuthi uye ku dates nemuntu angamati. They met at the mall by exchange my number. She didn't even know ukuthi it's gonna end up like this. If ngabe clearly she was not gonna go. So you guys are just being insensitive about the very serious matter. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.